Alright, so this is going to be another one of those sash style, but I'm going to try and keep the center part flatter so I can do a different type of die pattern. Also, this is a test for another type of shirt. There we go. It's Dancing Robin from Grateful Dyes. I bought these shirts, oh man, 5 months ago or so. Have yet to try one because I've been doing other things. So this is the first shot at it. Shirt feels nice and soft. It's almost like a soft style Gildan, but with a much higher thread count. Much higher. So we'll see how this dyes. The collar is interesting. Haven't seen something like that. Now I will say, as of the time that I'm recording this, they are out of stock and don't know when they're getting more of these in, but maybe when the video comes out they'll be back in stock. So I'm going to go ahead and flip this inside out, and as always, this is 100% cotton t-shirt. It has been soaked in soda ash for quite a while, but you would need to do it for 20 minutes or so, and then it was spun out in the washing machine until it was damp. I'm going to go ahead and get this. So I'm just going to start at the corners. Pull that up, give it a little shake. Make sure alrighty. I'm going to flip this over just so that I can work with it the direction that I normally do. I'm going to run this up the side. I think I'm going to go higher than I have been. I swear every time I come out here to do this, the dog starts out. Alright, so I'm just going to do randomness, but I am going to try to keep it flatter. I've been doing a lot of like 3D and what I was calling 4D, and that last one where it was like overs, unders, sides, and all that. I'm not going to do it this time because I want to rely on being able to have a flat-ish surface to be able to do the die in a specific pattern. Do a base one back here. Alright, and then a couple more just to basically lock the thread in place. Alright, this bottom part, don't want to break that apart, wrong place. I'm going to leave a fair bit of this right here and then scrunch up to that. So I'll open it up. I know, it was just open and I closed it, but... Alrighty, that's what we have. Off to die. Alright, for this one I'm using Scarlet, Deep Orange, Daffodil, Bright Green, Bluebird, Amethyst, and these are all from Dharma. Alright, we'll let that melt through. Probably a single cycle of ice, but we'll see what happens. Alright, so it's melted through, and it's not far enough. Learned that from Sash too. You've really got to drive it through since it's thicker here. So I'll go ahead and add some more ice. Actually, let's add some soda ash and then add some more ice. We'll let that melt, and then we'll take a look again. It's been over 24 hours, so let's do this washout. Alright, let's take a quick look. So I'll throw this in the wash and we'll take a final look. Alrighty, here's the front. And back. Alright, let's go over the shirt itself first. I like the feel of the shirt. It took the dye really well. As I said before, it's a nice tight weave. It is a white cotton thread and not a poly thread like in the non-PFD Gildan models. Interesting shirts. I'll definitely be buying more of these as soon as they're available again. Now, for the design, this is gorgeous up here. I really like the results of this. This was what? I lost track. I think it was charcoal gray or Timberwolf. I don't know. It's back in the video. That turned out really, really well. I mean, that is awesome. This is pretty cool down here too. This would definitely be a really good color to go with for like a marble, just a simple marbled shirt. As far as the center part for the sash, it's like it's both chaotic and planned, so it's like the plan didn't work, so the chaos doesn't fit well. Like it ended up being like a sloppy plan versus this is what it was supposed to look like. So I'm not sure about this. That first sash I liked a whole lot more. It had the right amount of organic, chaotic kind of look in the center, while not having the extra, I don't know, where it didn't kind of match up in parts. Maybe it's just me. I might be watching the video when I'm doing the edits going, oh no, it looks much better from a top-down bird's eye view. There's no issue there. I do that quite a bit. I do really like the gray that went with it, so I'm going to do at least one more video with the gray, with the bright colors across the center, because I think it has way more potential than what this came out in my mind. So, what do you think? Let me know down below, and until next time, thanks for watching.